Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, bringing you all things vegan and ways to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. Guess what today is? Cyber Monday! And you know what that means. Sale, sale, sale. Today I am offering 20% off my 10 Days of Plant-Based Living program when you use the code GOVEGAN. This program is so awesome. It's so easy. It's foolproof. It takes you step by step through the entire thing. You get over 30 recipes. You get this 10-day planner here. The calendar full of, let's see, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. You're not going to be hungry on this 10-day program. You see all of the food you're going to be eating. Super, super easy to make. Under 30 minutes, everything. You have lots of delicious snacks full of protein. All of the meals are full of protein that are meant to keep you full and keep you full of energy. With that calendar, you're going to get the 30 recipes, of course. You're also going to get this shopping list here that I highly recommend going through your pantry, refrigerator, cupboards, making sure that you cross off everything that you already have so you're not purchasing things that you don't need. And then the best part here is this step-by-step meal prep guide. I think this is the hardest part for most people and why they, have such a hard time with meal prep in general, because they say, I don't have time to meal prep. Well, this is step by step, kind of takes you through the entire 10 days, starting with the very first day, which is just the grocery shopping. And you have the first day, which is your prep. So it's make the chia pudding, make the avocado hummus. Both take 5 minutes to make. So you do a little bit each day, so that way you're not overwhelmed with everything. And then you have what you do in the morning and what you do at night. Now in the morning, don't freak out. You're not, preparing, chopping vegetables or anything like that. You're literally pack meals if you're on the go. That's what you do in the morning. And then, Monday night, finish preparing your lemon pesto penne. Yum, that sounds good. So it's just a little tiny bit each night. So that way you're not overwhelmed when you get home from work and you have kids and homework and it's a spouse. It's like, it's really, really, really easy. A little bit each night so you're not overwhelmed. But it's step by step right here. Couldn't be easier for you. Okay, if you don't want to print all of that out, the recipes, there are quite a few to print. When you join, you get this PDF here. You'll get a little link that tells you grocery list tips, shopping tips, recipe tips, leftovers, and then all of your PDFs here. Okay, let's click on the planner. And there you go. There's your calendar. There's your recipes. Chia seed pudding. I am known for my chia seed pudding. This recipe is amazing and takes 5 minutes to make. So you have your chia seed pudding, you have your pineapple ginger smoothie, protein-packed avocado toast, green smoothie, apple cinnamon oats, avocado hummus, double chocolate energy balls, dark chocolate and walnuts, ginger lemonade with aloe. This recipe is so good. It's so good to heal your gut. This whole program is designed to lower inflammation, boost the immune system, get that gut health in check. Just a really good jumpstart to get you healthy. That's the main goal here. Okay, you have cucumber hummus bites. I love those. Those are so good. Veggie hummus wraps. Oh my God, a Mexican black bean salad, the veggie pita pizza with hummus. This is like my favorite thing. I make it all of the time. So these recipes a lot of them are my favorite recipes. They're all so easy to make. I can't wait for you to get started. And to help you get started, I have one more thing I'm going to offer. I have 30% off of my health coaching services right now. For today only. I have 30% off of all of my other services. So if you live in the LA area and you want to do a grocery tour or have a cooking lesson, you can get 30% off on that today. But if you really want someone to help you and coach you through these 10 days, you can look at my health coaching packages. I have 2 of them. Okay, I have a 3-month where we meet twice a month for 3 months, or I have a 6-month program where we meet twice a month for 6 months. We don't need to meet in person. You can be anywhere in the world to do this, okay? Literally on the phone, Skype, WhatsApp, whatever works for you. If you live by me, then great. We can meet in person. That's totally fine. I'm happy with that. But I can help you. When you get a coaching package, we can start the 10-day program together. I can coach you through the entire thing, answer any questions that you have. And after the 10 days, I can continue to coach you and keep you on the path to being healthy and living a healthy lifestyle. There's nothing like having your own personal coach to keep you in check. Go to my website, solfoodcollective.com. Click on the list of services to see what I have there for 30% off. If you just want to do the 10-day program, that's totally fine too. As soon as you go to the website, the first thing that pops up, click on it and enter the code GOVEGAN to save 20%. Okay guys, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube video and click that little bell so you never miss one of my videos, and I will see you soon. Bye. Happy shopping. Bye.